This project involved a full roof replacement where we replaced the roof with a new architectural shingle system while addressing underlying structural and ventilation issues to ensure long-term performance. The existing roof showed signs of storm damage, wear and tear, and shoddy patch repairs. During removal, we discovered areas of rotted decking and components that required corrective work to bring the system up to proper standards. After removing the old roofing materials, we performed a full deck inspection to identify any hidden damage and ensure the new system would be installed on a solid foundation. Damaged and rotted decking was removed and replaced to restore a solid foundation. A strong decking surface is critical to the durability and lifespan of any roofing system. A synthetic underlayment system was installed across the entire roof deck, offering enhanced moisture protection and durability compared to traditional felt paper. We reinforced select rafters to improve structural support and ensure the framing system could properly carry the new roofing materials. StormGuard leak barrier was installed in critical areas including valleys and around the chimney base, providing advanced waterproof protection where leaks most often occur. The new architectural shingles provide increased durability, wind resistance, and a dimensional appearance that enhances the overall look of the home. The chimney flashing was replaced and properly installed to eliminate one of the most common sources of roof leaks. The ventilation was improved by replacing a single power vent with a continuous ridge vent system, creating more balanced attic airflow and improving energy efficiency. Because the system was installed according to manufacturer specifications, the homeowner now benefits from a comprehensive manufacturer warranty for added peace of mind. With structural repairs completed, waterproofing upgrades installed, and ventilation improvements in place, this home now has a roofing system designed to protect what matters most for years to come. Quality materials, expert installation, and protection that lasts, that's the magnum difference.